Hi everybody, this is Felicia. Happy New Year. Yay, we made it to 2018. I'm so excited. This year is going to change a lot for me. There's going to be some new changes that I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to make sure that you guys all are aware of some of the things I'm going to be doing, especially since it involves my YouTube channel. Anyway, so the first thing that I'm going to be talking about today is the Crafty Maven and the Wild Whisper design teams. Those are the two design teams that I am on. I will be continuing on to those design teams for 6 months this year, and then hopefully I'll be able to continue on for another 6 months. I really enjoyed being on all the design teams that I was on last year, but with all the things that were going on in our schedule and everything like that, I haven't been able to pretty much keep up with it or do what I wanted to do, as far as all of the design teams that I was on last year. So, being with that said, sorry, I can't even talk tonight. Anyway, so the next thing I have down here is I am going to be doing regular videos. Yay! So I'm going to make sure that you at least receive some regular content from me, and I know I've been slipping on that and dropping the ball on that, but I'm going to make sure that I do that. And it's important that I keep up my scrappy part of my life and to take care of some of the things that need to be taken care of as far as my balance in my life is concerned. So we're going to be doing that. And then the next thing I have down here is Project Life. Project Life is something that I've been doing since 2010. Yes, it's 8. This is year number 8. I'm super excited about it because there's going to be it's going to be a little bit different for me this year for Project Life. I'm going to try to stick week by week, but I might end up doing it in a whole monthly spread as far as that's concerned, because I'm not taking as many pictures as I used to. I want to, but things are, like school and stuff and different things. So I want to make sure that I do my best with that. So I'm still going to be continuing Project Life, and I will pop in every now and then to, share a spread or something like that with you on that. And then we have, school. I am in school full time. I went back, so I want to make sure that I keep my scrappy life in balance. In other words, continue to do it even with school, because it does help me, and it helps me quite a bit. And I want to make sure that you guys see, and get the videos that I am doing. So that is one of the things that I definitely plan on doing with that. And then scrap room overhaul and organization. So with the scrap room and overall organization here, let me tilt you guys up here a little bit. I am going to be making sure that I kind of like share what I'm doing. It's a mess in here, and you'll see it after this video. It's a mess. It just gives you a general overview of what my scrap room looks like. It's just not good. I've let it go because I've been super busy, but I'm going to be getting back on track with that and making sure that I take care of all of that stuff. And so we're going to do it a little by a little. And then my closets here that I have that are here in front of me that you can't see. I mean, my closets, they're a mess right now. And it's not normal for me. I'm usually very organized, but some things just took over my life here as far as my scrappy room is concerned. Anyway, so with that said, I'm going to be showing you a little bit of organization over the time, as far as getting my scrappy room done. And behind me, you see this blank wall. That wall won't be blank anymore. So like I said, we're going to be, I'm going to be working on getting it together and getting it organized and keeping it that way. Yeah, so this is... Wow, this is going to be exciting. I had a little pause there. Yeah, it's going to be exciting for me to do some change here in the scrap room and get it organized and relieve myself of some of the crafty goodies that I have in here that's been here forever and a day. I have a lot of old stuff. And so, because I've been doing this for 20 years. So, I mean, you know. Anyway, so now that I've read everything, I can take these glasses off. But I just want to let you guys know I appreciate you all, and I really am grateful for all of the feedback and for all of the beautiful comments that you guys have given me over the time here. And I really thank you for bearing with me on getting, taking care of my scrappiness, my videos and scrappy goals and things like that. So anyway, I think that's about it. So enjoy the video after this. I'm going to be also doing a Happy New Year layout here in a little bit, and that's going to be up soon as well. So, and be sure to check out the Crafty Maven as well, you guys, because the Crafty Maven is growing and is getting stronger and stronger, and we're always providing new content on that channel. It's the best channel. So as far as allowing us to be able to create and go by the inspiration pieces and things like that that are in the video. But I'm super excited about that, and I'm glad I made my choice to stay on the Crafty Maven design team. But do check that out, and then also check out Wild Whispers Designs. Their paper is to die for. It is so durable and so nice and so smooth. That's one of the reasons why I chose to stay on it, because I really, really love their products, and I think you will too. They design so well. It's Susie and Heather, awesome gals there, and then Hannah with Crafty Maven, awesome gal there. So, and I really enjoy working with all these gals, and it's been fun. I mean, really, and that's why I chose to continue to stay on as a design team member for the channels, and I really, really like it. So I think that was about all I have for as far as a Scrappy Happy New Year 2018 Scrappy chat. Yeah, so I'm excited about this year, and I hope you guys are too, and I hope you have some Scrappy goals of your own. Maybe we could go and play along together. If anybody wants to make a comment about that, that'd be great, because I would love to go along with someone, say, okay, this is what space we're going to organize. We're going to organize our expedites. If you don't have expedites, we're going to organize our shelves. If you don't have that, we're going to organize our cubes. I unfortunately have a huge expedite, a bookshelf, and cubes. So, and then also we could choose to organize our Rogscog carts, which one of mine is in desperate need of that kind of organization. Or we could just choose to organize our closets. I really like to work with people, and I really hope that you guys would join me in on this adventure, because it's going to take a little while for me to do it this time, because this time I decided to take my time and not be so in a hurry. I've been told to have patience many times. So anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate you once again. You guys, I hope your new year brings you great joy and help you accomplish your goals. I'm ready for it. I have my one little word going for me this year, which is journey. And I'm excited about that word, because I am going and embarking on a brand new journey this year for myself. And I'm really pretty happy about it. I'm happy about the choices that I made, and I'm happy about the journey that I'm choosing to go on. So that is my one little word with the Ali Edwards. And if you haven't chosen your one little word, I would do it, because it really, really helps. It helps you stay focused. I've completed my one little word albums. This will be my 7th year for one little word. So I'm pretty excited about that. All right, guys, I'm going to go. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all of your support and for all of your awesome comments. And I hope you have a great and wonderful 2018. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. And I am showing you my room because it is 2018. Although I have my room kind of sort of the way I would like it to be, I'm going to be revamping it. It is a mess right now, as you can see. But I'm going to be revamping this room because I need to create a little bit more space, and I'm going to be going vertical instead of horizontal. So this space right here where you see all of the cubes is going to be changing a little bit. I have changed my room around. I did not do a video for it. This is my IKEA expedite here. Actually, this is my big expedite here at the bottom. As you can see. And then what I did was I went and bought another one so I can go up vertical. But if you look really closely, you can see that lip right there. So this is the newer one here at the top, the newer IKEA expedites. And then this is the older one at the bottom. So it changed. The size has changed. I mean, it's not a super big deal, but you know, I was kind of shocked. You can see it. You know, you can see the difference in the length of the difference right there and then lips. So anyway, so what I did was I changed my room around so I can go vertically, and I need to go vertical. So this is the before video that I have of my room, and this is going to be revamped and changed. And then I'm also going to be doing it in bits and pieces and parts like that. That way you can kind of see how I'm going to be doing my entire room. I hope this is not making anybody dizzy, but anyway. So, and then I'm going to, which we're going to swing around here a little bit here. We're going to reorganize this closet. It is a horrid mess. Look at that. And then we'll go over a lot of stuff. It's just been busy. Plus, I've been in school and, you know, things like that. So, I'm going to be doing that. I have two sides here. Close that door. And I'm going to also be redoing this side. So, it's kind of a mess, but I'm going to get it all done. And it's going to look really nice once I get everything redone. And I will be keeping you up probably on a bi-weekly basis, not a every week basis, but a bi-weekly basis. Alrighty, so I just wanted to give you a really good, complete overhaul of everything, and I will be getting started on that. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.